Did you know you can build WhatsApp, Discord, and Telegram messaging experiences right into your app without having to build it all yourself? In-app messaging, voice, and video are how we now maintain authentic, personal, and in-the-moment connections between friends, families, and colleagues, no matter the distance. Sendbird's SDKs and APIs make this possible across every major platform and device, while reducing development time, maintenance efforts, and risk. You'll be able to send your first message or place your first call in a few minutes. With comprehensive documentation, detailed tutorials, videos, sample apps, extensible UI libraries, and our powerful dashboard, you'll be supported all the way. Start your free 30-day trial and experience the most feature-rich, reliable, and scalable in-app communication platform, Sendbird.